Alright, now we need to tear our firearm down. We need to pull it apart, what they call field stripping. And basically, this is the Taurus G2, and it's got a lever right here. It's on both sides. You got access to it here and here, and you have to pull down with both sides at the same time. So what I do is I'll take my thumbnail, I'll put it on top of this, and then I'll take my middle finger and put the nail on top of that one. And as I pull this down, I'm going to pull this slide back. So I'm going to grab here, I'm going to barely pull back. Once I hear it release, I can push forward, and then it comes apart. Now your frame, this is as far as we're going to go with it. We're not going to take any of the internals apart. For most of you, that's going to be too much either way, and that's just, we don't need to do that. So I'm going to sit this over to the side. Now we're going to take this recoil rod and spring, and I'm going to push forward and then pull up. So I'm going to push forward and up at the same time. Now I can pull the recoil spring. This is a rod and spring, and they're connected. They do come apart, but it's a little aggravating. Don't need to take it apart, so we're not going to. And then the barrel, it just pops out. That's all. It pops out. I'm not going to take any other internals apart with the slide. For most of you, that's too much, and that's too far for the most part anyway. Now our firearm is what we call field stripped. It's ready to clean, it's ready to go. Look for our other videos of how to actually clean it.